Hi, my name's Gary McIndoe and I'm Managing Partner at Latitude Law Solicitors. We're based in Manchester with offices in London and Brussels. And we undertake a full range of specialist UK inbound immigration work. I'd like to talk to you today about one aspect of the UK's global talent route. Now, as you probably already know, this is a very advantageous visa route for the UK. Particularly, it's relatively cheap and it can qualify applicants for permanent residence in the UK after just 3 years rather than the usual 5. Another key benefit of the global talent route is its flexibility, because it's not a sponsored work route. So an applicant holding this visa can enter the UK and can work either for themselves or for another company. You can set up another company or you can study in the UK without additional sponsorship. I'm going to concentrate today on the global talent visa for academics. Now, the published guidance in this particular route is a little bit complicated and quite difficult to navigate. So what I'm hoping to do today is to clarify things for you and to let you know exactly which route you need to be applying in and with which endorsing body. Now, in the world of academia, the relevant endorsing bodies here in the UK are the Royal Academy of Engineering, the British Academy and the Royal Society, and they all cover different aspects of academic endeavour. There is a fourth endorsing body called UK Research and Innovation, or UKRI. Now, UKRI is special in that it only endorses for exceptional talent as opposed to exceptional promise, and it provides what's called fast-track endorsement, and that's available to active researchers, fellows of the organisations I mentioned above, or people who are engaged in research and have a job offer in a relevant accredited location, such as a university. The other aspect of UKRI endorsement is relevant funding. Certain funders are specified by UKRI as accredited. So if you are, for example, conducting research through or on behalf of Cancer UK, then that would qualify you potentially for endorsement on the fast track from UKRI. So all these 3 academic endorsing bodies work to broadly the same criteria. You'll find information on all their websites, but as I say, broadly they're all the same or very similar. So when peer reviewing an application in the global talent route, which, remember, for these bodies can be either exceptional talent or exceptional promise for those at the early part of their career, the endorsing body will look at your track record to date, your career history and your contributions to your field. They will have particular regard, especially for exceptional talent applicants, to your international standing. They will consider the significance of your publications, whether you've won any important prizes in your field, and the research that you've been engaged in. They will look at patents you may have been granted or contributed to. They look at licensing of your academic work, spin-outs and other forms of intellectual property. So there's a wide range of experience that you can put forward as an academic global talent applicant. So what all these endorsing bodies specify in their materials is evidence demonstrating a high degree of originality, creativity and independence in research. Intellectual leadership is particularly valued, and as I mentioned before, innovation in the work that you do. They consider the merit, the novelty, the significance and the quality of your research and your innovation vision. So bear all these things in mind when you're putting together your supporting evidence.